Here at Lake County Roadside Towing and Recovery, we offer 24-hour services 7 days a week and cover all of Lake County, Illinois. Our services include emergency roadside assistance and flatbed towing and wrecker services, light and medium duty towing. We also move toolboxes, forklifts, and more. Our emergency roadside assistance services include emergency car locksmith, jump starts, tire changes, and fuel delivery. Lake County Roadside also provides accident recovery and junk car removal. For all your towing needs, we offer professional and prompt services. See our 5-star ratings from our clients on Google. We accept all major credit cards. Call us at 847-833-9644 or 847-977-8881. We habla español too. Visit us at LakeCountyRoadside.com and like us on Facebook. We're the good guys.